In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a GIF to a comment in Reddit. This is a really simple process, but if you've never done it before, it can be a little confusing. By the end of this video, you'll be able to quickly drop fun, expressive GIFs into your comments and make your replies stand out. First, open Reddit and find the post you want to comment on. This can be any post in any subreddit where comments are allowed. Scroll through your feed or search for a specific topic until you land on the post you'd like to respond to. Once you've found it, look just below the post for the comment icon. This is usually located near the upvote and downvote buttons and may look like a speech bubble. Go ahead and click on that comment icon. When you do, a comment box will appear, giving you space to type your reply. Before you start typing, take a moment to look at the options inside that comment box. You should see a small toolbar with different icons for formatting and media. Among those options, look for the GIF icon. It typically looks like a small square with the word GIF on it. Click on this GIF icon to open Reddit's built-in GIF search tool. After clicking the GIF icon, a window or panel will pop up with a collection of GIFs. You'll usually see a search bar at the top and some trending or popular GIFs below it. If you already know what kind of GIF you want, type a keyword into the search bar, like happy, excited, or facepalm. Give it a second to load, and then browse through the results until you find one that fits the tone of your comment. When you see a GIF you like, simply click on it once. Reddit will automatically insert that GIF into your comment box. You'll now see a preview of the GIF inside your comment area. At this point, you can also add text above or below the GIF if you want to explain it, react, or add more context. Take a quick moment to review your comment and make sure the GIF looks right and matches what you want to say. When you're happy with how everything looks, scroll down if needed and click the button to post your comment. Reddit will publish your comment with the GIF embedded, and anyone viewing the thread will see it displayed directly